How to balance stress hormones. Lose belly fat fast. You can lose belly fat fast by regulating stress hormones and boosting your metabolism. 1. Identify causes of stress in your life. Stress has been linked to increases of visceral fat in both men and women. Stress causes your body to produce more stress hormones like cortisol. Cortisol sends signals to your body to store fat. The stress is a signal to your body that food may be scarce in the future. Many studies suggest women show more physical symptoms of stress than men, including weight gain in the belly. To reduce stressful situations at home and at work immediately. Regulating stress in your life will help you lose belly fat faster than diet and exercise alone. 3. Start deep breathing exercises. Do 10-second breaths. Sit in a comfortable position. Inhale for 10 seconds, and then exhale for 10 seconds. Breathe in this manner for 2 to 5 minutes. People who are stressed usually breathe rapidly in and out and take shallow breaths, without even realizing it. Do 10-second breathing every time you are stressed or at 5 different intervals throughout the day. 4. Take vitamin C supplements. If you are not able to get enough vitamin C through food, taking a vitamin C supplement can help manage the cortisol in your blood and regulate the effects of stress on your body. Try to eat more cantaloupe, oranges, red and green peppers, kiwi, broccoli or tomatoes. A serving of each has between 40 and 100 milligrams of vitamin C. Eat 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Try to get the majority of your vitamin C from food sources. Take a 200 milligrams supplement of vitamin C if you are not reaching your 500 milligrams goal. You may take a 500 milligrams supplement for a week, if you feel you are getting very little vitamin C in your diet. 5. Devote 7 to 8 hours to sleep. Sleeping well manages stress and hormone levels. People who sleep less than 7 hours per day can also raise cortisol and ghrelin levels, causing you to gain belly weight. Ghrelin is a hormone that brings cravings for sweet and fatty foods. 6. Try yoga or meditation. If deep breathing is helping, then yoga and meditation may be the best way to regulate cortisol, ghrelin and other hormones that produce weight gain. To lose belly fat fast, you should try doing several different types of yoga for exercise and stress reduction. Flow yoga burns fat while reducing stress. If you choose to try meditation, it can also help you sleep. It should be added to your schedule in addition to increased exercise.